Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video guys, I am going to share with you most stunning crochet Christmas centerpieces decoration ideas. Guys, these are super amazing and very beautiful ideas for you guys. You guys share this video with your friends and with your family members. Guys, these are very trending and very pretty Christmas decoration ideas for your home decor. Keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. You guys also watch different other craft videos on my channel. That was amazing. Guys, must subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Guys, these are very pretty and very latest handmade collections. So keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. Guys, these are very beautiful and very latest ideas for you guys. Always think positive guys, always be positive. These are absolutely loving Christmas craft. So take care of yourself. Be happy. Allah Hafiz guys.